have made slime with our special guests, Trisha,
Ate Josh.
and
I'm not the guest.
Jerry, and me.
I'm always.
We're on the rooftop as high.
Every blood.
So we've made some slime.
We're almost at 500,000 subscribers.
Okay.
What?
So like and subscribe to this video if you want to have more. We were actually recording in this phone, but somebody stopped
100 subscribers gets free slime. No, it's still too sticky. Oh my gosh. I need liquid detergent. Emergency.
This is not liquid detergent. We call it our secret.
Okay, it's our secret ingredient. Jervik, you put it.
Oh, Jerry, hold this. Hold it. Chris,
Hold
no.
up, my cameraman. When I tell you
Cameraman.
stop.
Camera girl.
Stop. Stop. Oh my gosh, that is a lot.
A lot.
It's a whole lot.
Well, at least we'll have a soapy slime, right?
Terrible.
I don't trust Jerry. You might just press it.
it.
So we're on the rooftop and I'll stick some.
I love
Jerry. Josh, is that good slime? Oh,
Yes, it
thank God we have good slime.
Thank God you have a
Hallelujah.
good slime master.
This
That's
is
so
mine.
soggy.
Oh, this is too
Oh
soapy.
gosh, it's terrible.
Yeah, it's too soapy. It's not
No, just
stretchy.
Wait, they have more area
Oh,
here.
it's too stretchy. It's a bit failed, but
Oh, it's not too stretchy. It's too gooey.
it's not stretchy enough.
I need someone to hold it.
I can't do cameraman.
I'll hold.
Guys, if you guys
let's go to the sink.
yeah, let's go to the sink over there. If you guys subscribe and I hit 20 subscribers, I'm gonna show you how to make slime and throw this away. How do I? Oh, it won't stick away. Okay, guys. So I took it away. We're all washing our hands now.
Hey, it's nice.
Okay, nice.
You're welcome, David. You
Yes,
just
yes.
need to knead it.
Need it? What's need?
It's like, what
Give me.
to do with the dough. Oh, God.
The water's so mad at Trish.
Oh!
Why? Give me some.
Oh,
Half
not
it.
yet, not yet. I need to knead it some more.
I'm gonna have to
need
jump
more
on this.
detergent.
1, 2.
I'll get the detergent!
Oh, did you see that? I just made an epic jump.
Get the cup, Jervik. I need the cup. But
Cup! Come over here! The cup's coming. Guys.
She even said I can hear something. Ibig sabihin kung parang meron na siya, meron po tumatawag.
Guys, they're going home. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop recording. Okay, guys, it's been a while. Like 5 minutes after that fight. After Josh is going home.
Oh my God, I need to wash my hands. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Hurry.
Hurry, tell me Dad. Or else I'm not allowed to come here.
Tita Dad! Tita Dad! Ate Josh is just washing her hands. Guys, so I have to. Okay, guys, have a nice day. Thank you for everything, guys. Thanks for the 10 subscribers. Remember, it hasn't hit 20 likes yet. 3 AM slime challenge coming soon. Bye.